Hello and welcome guys, welcome to Seed IT Solutions. In this video, we are going to see how we can blacklist any domain in Microsoft Office 365 through the admin portal. So basically there are many requirements if you are getting spam emails on a regular basis. So this is the way you can block those domains through the admin portal in Office 365. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact way how to blacklist those domains. So let's get started. To block those domains, you first need to visit security.microsoft.com. Once you log into this portal, you will see a lot of options on this left side. Just navigate to policies and rules. So there are three policies already there. You just have to click on thread policies. Now select anti-spam, then click on anti-spam inbound policy. Now just scroll down and click on edit allowed and block list senders and domains. So here you will get a lot of options. So you can see the allow, you can allow senders and domains over here if you want to buy whitelist those senders here. And just below that you will see the blocked option, and here you can block the individual spam email sender. And just below that you will see the block domains option. Just click on block domains. Now click on domain, enter the domain you wish to block. Now I'm just entering google.com and just hit enter. And if you want to remove this domain, just click on this cross icon. So that's it. So this is the way you can blacklist the domains in Office 365 admin portal. So after that, you will not get any email from this domain. So thanks for watching this video, guys. If you are not subscribed to these channels, make sure you subscribe the channel to get a latest notification of the new videos, and hit the like button if you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.